Where?
Hey guys, it's me, the Dab Master.
No,
Now,
where'd you put it?
he set up
Where'd you
a
put
bird
it?
trap. It's your classic
Did you put it
everyday
in your
bird
bed?
trap.
No, I don't want it. I just asked you
Now
if
we
you know where it
use
is.
wire,
It's his. He's got to
string,
show the customer. He said you can have it after.
box,
Yeah, I told you.
a
I just don't know what I
box,
did with it.
and like a foam tube thing to make this. Now, we're waiting for a bird to come up so we can actually catch it. Now, of course, we're not going to kill it.
Chris, you guys are.
And, we're just going to do this for test purposes. Now, my dad owns a house. He just walked past. And this armadillo is really eating up the bushes, the backyard pretty much. So, we're going to attempt to catch him.
I got in the book, look.
Now,
Here's your timing mark.
so,
Your 2 marks right there. Remember I said I had to go to
I'll give you guys a closer look.
But there's the time mark. So it's right there, it's not perfect. I was way back here trying to make that.
So we have some wood around it so we see it. And then we have like, I don't know, like 2 pieces worth of wood. Then we have the box. It's pretty decent sized. We even have some cardboard flaps around the side so he can't like escape out the side or something. And like we have a wire. No, I already said this, but we have a wire running down here.
I would get the 60 gauge wire on that.
Then we tied it to a string. Now I'm the bird watcher, so I'm just waiting here, waiting for a bird. Now, if you're wondering why I'm not at the very tippy end of the string, it's because I'm only a child. I can't pull a string from that far to make that box fall down, since it'll pull the stick away and the box will fall down. And plus, I can't see very good since the sun is going to be in my eyes. And I just don't have strength. And I can't see the bird as well as I would here. It's me, the Dab Master, and bye, Dabber!